Did you know that onion juice can actually help with hair growth? Yes, it may sound unusual, but for centuries, people in different cultures have used onions as a natural remedy for hair loss. In today's video, we'll explore how onion juice works, why it's effective, and how you can use it at home without worrying about smelling like an onion. If you're from the UK, US, or anywhere else struggling with thinning hair or hair fall, this simple home remedy might be the solution you're looking for. Onion juice contains a high amount of sulfur, which is a key nutrient for hair health. Sulfur improves blood circulation to the scalp, provides essential nutrients to hair follicles, and reduces hair breakage. It also has antibacterial properties, which keep your scalp clean and prevent infections that may cause hair loss. Another amazing benefit is that onion juice helps boost collagen production, which is important for the growth of new hair strands. Making onion juice is very simple. All you need are 1 or 2 fresh onions. Step 1. Peel and chop them into small pieces. Step 2. Blend or grind the pieces to extract the juice. Step 3. Strain it using a clean cloth or sieve to get pure onion juice. That's it! Your natural hair growth solution is ready. Before applying, make sure your scalp is clean and dry. Dip a cotton ball into the onion juice, or use your fingertips to gently massage it into your scalp. Focus on the areas where hair is thinning. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Don't worry if you rinse thoroughly, the smell will fade away. You can also mix onion juice with aloe vera gel, coconut oil, or lemon juice to make it gentler and less pungent. For best results, apply onion juice 2 to 3 times a week. Most people start noticing improvements in about 4 to 6 weeks, including reduced hair fall, stronger roots, and even new hair growth. Of course, results may vary depending on your hair type and overall health. Consistency is key, so don't give up if you don't see changes overnight. Onion juice is safe for most people, but it may cause irritation in some cases. Always do a patch test on your skin before applying it to your scalp. If you have open wounds, avoid applying onion juice directly. And remember, this is a natural home remedy, not a replacement for medical treatment. If your hair loss is severe or sudden, it's best to consult a doctor. That being said, onion juice remains one of the simplest, cheapest, and most effective natural remedies for hair growth. So there you have it, onion juice for hair growth and how to use it to stop hair loss naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends, and subscribe to Zip Riff for more natural remedies and health tips every week.